Hello, welcome to all my dear students to this online lecture. This is your computer lecture for standard 1, 2, 3 and 4 and I am your computer teacher. My name is Shweta Yadav and today's our topic is Notepad. So in the previous lecture we also study about the Notepad, but in this lecture we can continue this topic so you can learn more in your Notepad window for typing. So before starting our lecture, I hope you all are fine at your home. Take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe, and wash your hand continuously with alcohol based hand rub and wear the mask. So let's see in the previous lecture what we study. How to start Notepad window, right? We will study in the previous lecture that how to start Notepad window, what is Notepad window and how to write numbers and letters and also sentences. We write in the previous lecture this all three topic. Yes, so see in this short description for this lecture. So how to start Notepad. Again I am saying repeating this topic so you can remember this concept. See, this is the desktop window. As I am saying in the previous lecture, the main screen of your monitor, it is called desktop window. This is my laptop screen and I am calling this desktop window. This is your desktop window. And search tab. The second, we have to find the search tab from the desktop window in the bottom of the line. You can see this white color bottom line. It is a taskbar. What? It is a taskbar. We will call them taskbar. In the taskbar window, we have to search the search tab. You can see here the type here to search is written here. So it is our search tab. We have to search here anything. What? Anything. Just you have to search. You have to write that spelling. For example, we have to search about the Notepad. Then we have to write Notepad spelling. See, write the Notepad on search tabs. You can see here I am writing that Notepad Notepad and here the Notepad icon. This is a Notepad icon. The notebook. You can see here the notebook. It is a notebook, so we call a Notepad icon, and here we have to click with the mouse, left click. Yes, with the mouse left click, and remember that from the mouse we use mostly a left click, not a right click. Mostly we use a left click to open any program. Now see, this is your Notepad window that is appear on the desktop screen. Yes, this is our desktop screen, but this is our Notepad screen. The white same as the book pages. Yes, we have a plain white book pages, line pages, 4 lines, square line, double line, whatever we have a notebook, but in the computer we have a plain white page. So this is our Notepad window. Okay, now see, we are starting here Notepad window. Yes, we are starting our Notepad window. So we are just clicking here on the Notepad window. So this is our Notepad window will be open. In the previous lecture we can see that how to open the Notepad window. Yes, so today we also open the Notepad window by this here, type here search tab, write Notepad, Notepad. So our Notepad window will be open by clicking here, right? So in the previous lecture we also study that close button, minimize button, maximize button, restore down. Yes, where is this button from the screen? Where is this button from the Notepad screen? Here at the right side of the corner, the red cross button, it is for close the Notepad window, restore down for minimize or maximize screen, and here the minimize button is for disappear or appear for the Notepad window. See here, by clicking here the Notepad window open also. By clicking here the Notepad window will be smaller. Again we are clicking here, then it come bigger. Yes, So here the file tab. In the previous lecture we can also save a one file. You can remember this, students? We can save a one file and the name is demo1 that I give. Remember or not? If you are not remember, then I am showing here that how to open the previous file that we save in this computer. So find the file tab. What? Find the file tab here, F-I-L-E, file tab. So we are clicking on file tab, then find from the file menu open, O-P-E-N, open. You can see here the open tab. So we have to click on open tab. So here you can see the one dialog box. What? It is called dialog box. This window is called dialog box. From the dialog box we have to find that our file demo1.txt. Which file? demo1.txt. So where is the demo1.txt from this dialog box? Here you can see the demo1.txt. You can see here. So we are clicking on this file, then the open tab. So you can see this tab. In the previous lecture we can done this. Remember or not? Yes, na? We are typing the numbers, then again the between the space, then letters, alphabetic letters, then again the with the space, then we can write the words Mahdi, then English, then school, then we are writing this word and make one sentence, Mahdi, English, school. Yes, and also we write the enter is used to go to the next line. We can write this all things in the previous lecture, students. Yes, so again we are writing this, but not this. We are writing today sentences. What? We are writing today sentences. So come here in the next line and click here. You can see the blinking line. It is called a cursor, right? And always remember that the where is cursor you have to first find. If your cursor is here, 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 then we are writing here, so it will be type here, but we are not write to here. We have to write in the next line from the here. So we are click after the line or full stop and cursor will be here. So which line is used to go to the next line? Sorry, which key is used to go to the next line, students? Which line? Enter key. Sorry, which key? Enter key. So we have to press enter key, go to the next line. Okay, so I am opening here my on screen keyboard, so you can understand then where is the enter key from the keyboard. So it is your keyboard and you can see find the enter key from the keyboard. Where is the enter key from the keyboard? Where is ENTER, enter? Here you can see here the enter key. Yes, so press enter key, then see the where is the cursor blinking. Where is the cursor blinking? See here in the next line you can see here. So again I am pressing the enter key. So we have enter so many key. So a cursor become here. So by clicking here we have to come here. So in this lecture what we have to write? What we have to write? Sentences, right? We have to write sentences. So which sentence you have to write? So I am preparing some sentences that you have to write here from this notebook. You can see here these sentences. Okay, now see the first sentence. This is a notepad window. What? This is a notepad window. You can see here the sentence. This is a notepad window. The first sentence. So come here, click here and write this is Notepad, window. What is this spelling? THIS. This is written. See here, I am just clearing the concept that how to find a key and write. But if you have your keyboard, then you have to practice with the both hand. What? With the both hand. So you have to use your both hand. In the previous lecture we can study that how to type. Yes, we can study that how to type. So I am just pressing here key, but if you are typing, then you have to compulsory use your both hand, left hand and right hand, and there are 10 fingers, left hand 5 fingers and right hand 5 fingers. Yes, remember of their fingers names: index finger, first finger, middle finger, ring finger and the little finger. Yes, you have to remember these all things, because for typing you have to use this technique, keyboarding technique. Yes, the keyboarding concept we can study in the previous lecture. So see here, this is written here. So now we have what we have to do, we have to put a space. So for space, which key we use from this keyboard? Longest key on the keyboard, space bar key. Here the space bar key is here, and space bar key is used to put a space between letters, words and sentences. So we are clicking space bar key. So space will be here. So now this, then is, then again space, Notepad, Notepad, Notepad written, then again space, one word complete, then put one space. Understood, students? One word complete and one put a space. This is Notepad. Then window, window spelling. Which is window spelling? WINDO, window. This is Notepad window. One sentence is complete here. So now tell me, if you are writing in Notepad, you are completing one sentence, then what you have to do? Then if you are completing the one sentence, we have to put a full stop. Yes, we have to put compulsory full stop if we are completing the sentence. So from keyboard, find the full stop and press. See here the full stop. So press this key. See here the full stop will be come. So one sentence is complete here. This is Notepad window. Then what we have to do? We have to write from this line or the next line. Which line you prefer? Next line or in this line? Common line. I think we have to go to next line. So sentence will be clear and neat and clean. We can read and see. Yes. So for go to the next line, we have to press enter key. So where is the enter key? Here is the enter key. So press enter key and see here the cursor will be here. So which is the next sentence? From here, Notepad window is used to type letter, word and sentences. So this is our next sentences. So write Notepad spelling, Notepad window. So write a spelling of Notepad first of all. Notepad, Notepad. Then put a one space because the Notepad spelling is complete. Then Notepad window. So window spelling is come. Then which is the window spelling? WINDOW. Notepad window will be written. Then put again space. Notepad window is put a space. Used, USED, used. Notepad window is used. You can see here we are writing neat and clean, then put a space. Notepad window is used to. PO2, used to write. WRITE, write. See here, write is written, then again put a one space from the keyboard. Notepad window is used to write word. WORDS, words, and put a space. AND, and again put a space. Word and letter LETTER, letter. One spelling is completed here, so again put a space. And AND, and again put a space. Sentences, what is the spelling of sentences? SENTENCES. Sentences, the one sentence is complete. Notepad window is used to write words, letters, and sentences. Then put a full stop here. See, the full stop is here. Now again enter key. Which key? Again enter key. So it will be come to the next line. So which is the third sentence? We have to write which sentence? Here. We also write paragraph. This is our third sentence. So come here and click and write WE. We also ALSO. Once word is complete, then put a space. We also write WRITE, write. Put a space. Put a space. Paragraph. P. See here, by mistake I have put press double time P, but I don't need double P. I just want only one P, so we have to erase one P from here. Yes, this P we have to erase here. So which key is used to erase letters, words, numbers from the left side? This is our left side, yes, and this is our right side. So from the left side we have to erase here letters. So which key is used? Backspace key. Which key? Backspace key. Which key we use? Backspace key. So find the backspace key from the keyboard. Where is the backspace key? Here, this arrow for the cross line, it is our backspace key. By pressing, the 1P will be erased. You can see here the 1P will be erased. Only 1P is display here. Then paragraph spelling. PARAGRAPH. Paragraph. Here our sentence is complete. We also write paragraph. See, we also write a paragraph. Here is sentence is complete. So put a one full stop. So find the full stop and press them from the mouse or fingers. Then the next sentence, press the enter key, come to the next line. and write the use of a enter key. Then we can also written in the previous lecture, enter is used to go to the next line. We can write in the previous lecture, students. So now write the use of space bar key. Which key? Space bar key. Here is the longest key from the keyboard. It is our space bar key. So first you have to write the spelling of space bar key. So write the spelling of space bar. S P A C E. Space is written here. You can see here the space spelling is written. Then put a space. Bar. B A R. Bar. Put a space again. Key. K E Y. Space bar key. Put a space. Is. I S. Is. Again space. U S E D. Used. What we have written here? Space bar key is used. With the help of space bar key and the letter key, we write this sentence. Again the space after the used. What is the use of space bar key, students? To put a space between letter, words and numbers. So right here put P U T. Put space a space S P A C E. Put a space, then again space between. What is the spelling of between? B E T W E and. Put a space between. Again we have to press a space bar for one space. Then write letter L E T E R. Put a space between letter, space A N D, and again space bar key for putting a space. Then numbers N U M B E R S. Numbers. Here see, I have make one mistakes. I have to write numbers, not only numbers, and here letter, not only one letter but letters, so many letters. So I have to write here S. So what I have to do? I have to come here after R. I have to click, then the cursor will be here, then I have write S. Understanding this? First of all I have to come here and click, then I have to press S from the keyboards, and the letters is complete and my mistake is overcome here. So again come here after S and click here and put a full stop mark. So this sentence is complete. See, read sentence, full sentence. Space bar key is used. Put, see here one mistake is also I have done, used to. So click here after D, put a one space and then write TO2. Now sentence is complete. Read full sentence. Space bar key is used to put a space between letters and numbers. So here is sentence complete. Click after the numbers and full stop and press the enter key. So we will come to the next line. So now which key? Now is turn for a caps lock key. Which key? Caps lock key. For example, find first of all caps lock key. Here is caps lock. You can see here the caps lock key. This is the caps lock key. You can see the difference. See, this is the normal keyboard. The all letter is in the small letter. You can see A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, P, O, all letter in the small letter. You can see this all letter in the small letter. But now see, I am pressing here the caps lock key. This is our caps lock key. Now see these letters, all letter it come in the bigger in the bigger number or called capital letter. Which number? Which letter? Capital letter. So it will be in a capital letter. A, S, D, F, G. See, again I am pressing this, so it will be small. Again pressing, then it will be big letter or capital letter. So you can understand the use of caps lock key. Yes, caps lock key is used to type a capital letter. So we write here C caps, C A P S, caps lock, L O C K, caps lock. You can see here the difference. You can see this difference, all letter in the capital. Yes, the all letter in the capital. Caps lock here is the all letter in the small. You can see the difference that the caps lock key is used to write in a capital letter. Yes. So now I want to write in a small letter though. So what I have to do? Again press the caps lock key. See the difference, the letter should be in the small letter. So the caps lock key is in small letter. So the all letters write in the small. Now you can see that I, S, is, U, S, E, D, used, T, O, to, W, R, I, T, E, write, I, N, in, C, A, P, I, T, A, L, capital, then space, L, E, double T, E, R, letter. So you can see that we have written here this sentence, caps lock key is used to write in a capital letter, and I hope you are understanding the caps lock use. By pressing this, the all letter in the capital letter, again this pressing, then the all letter in the small letter. So you can understand the concept of the caps lock key. By pressing the key, we have write in the capital letter, again the press, then the capital letter is converted into small letter. Again put a full stop because here the sentence is complete. Now come to the next line, press the enter key and come to the next line. Now see, here I write words in the capital letter, but I have to write only one single letter in the capital letter. For example, I want to just write this C letter in the capital. So what I have to do? Caps lock key on, then write C. Now I don't want to write A, P, S, L, O, C, K in the capital. So I just turn off this key by pressing the caps lock. Then I just press A, P, S, caps, put a space. Now I want to write L in a capital. See here the L is capital, I want to write the L capital. So again I am pressing the caps lock, L is written. So turn off now by pressing this key. So the all letter is in small, O, C, K. So see here the caps lock is written by first letter in capital. Yes, we are completing this by pressing the first letter in the capital. So you can understanding the use of the caps lock key, students. You have to continue write. If you are having a keyboard, computer, laptop, whatever you have to practice, then you have to this machine, computer at your home. So you just practice for typing or for keyboarding. You have to just write, continue, so your typing practice improve, your keyboarding skill will be improved. And also remember this keys, fingers, caps lock key, enter key, space bar key, full stop key, comma, whatever. In the next lecture we can see this, that a question mark, division sign. Yes, we can also see that, but in this lecture we just see the sentences and the keys use, so you can understand the use of the caps lock. So again, press the enter key and come here. Okay, now which key? Backspace. Which key? Backspace. For example, here I am writing something like this, but it is wrong. I just don't want this. I want to erase this all the letters. So which key is used? Backspace key. Then find the key from the keyboard, backspace. Where is the backspace key? Where is the backspace key? Here. Yes, the backspace key is here. Then press the backspace key. You can see the all letter is erasing. Again I am writing something by pressing this keys and numbers, all things. Yes, and the signs also. So I want to just erase these all things because it is not I want to display in the screen. So which key is used here? Backspace. Then I want to come here, then click and backspace. You can see this, erase all things. Yes. So in this lecture we study that this type of sentences in the big letter, small letter, full stop, space bar, and the different keys used. In the previous lecture we also come, but in the previous lecture we write one paragraph, not a sentence. Sorry, we write one paragraph. Yes. So bye everyone, take care, stay home, stay safe.